Today on Cutler's Court.
Who is he sending money to?
His ex-girlfriend.
How long are you gonna be there for her monetarily?
That's a good question.
You think there's some cheating going on?
Yes. And I was so hurtful to hear that he would say, I don't want a white person being in my family.
Who said that?
His brother.
She never told me the part about the white girl. He didn't like how miserable I was, and he knew it was because of her.
He did want me, and now he's changed everything because he has too many people in his ear.
Relationships on the brink of collapse. This is Cutler's Court. Connie Mullininx is in court today demanding answers from her boyfriend. After years of financial strain, racial tension, and lingering suspicions of infidelity, she's ready for the truth, and a polygraph test will reveal it. Dwayne Manuel denies cheating and says Connie's constant accusations are the real source of tension in the relationship. He also resents her lack of financial contribution, claiming she repeatedly fails to pay her share of the bills.
Your Honor, this is case 2088, Mullininx versus Manuel.
Miss Mullininx, you have brought your boyfriend to court because you don't believe that he is being faithful at all. Tell me your story. What do we have going on here?
I'm bringing him today because we're not having sex anymore. I feel his family is racist, and I believe he's a cheater.
Okay.
And if he does not pass the lie detector test today, I prefer to sleep in my car and not be with you.
Mr. Manuel, you've heard what the lady has said. Do
Yes.
you understand what's going on here?
Yes, she's accusing me of cheating. I just want to let her know that I've been faithful this whole entire time. That's why I took the polygraph test.
So you think the polygraph test is going to clean the slate for you and let you go forward?
Yes.
What about the lack of intimacy?
There's been a lot of things that's been happening financially that has just completely turned me off. I have to do a lot to take care of her and also my home. And it's been affecting me every single day.
So, Ms. Mullininx, tell me how you all met.
We met in a Uber ride. I was his driver, and he was my customer. We started having a conversation. We got to his house where he lives, and we exchanged telephone numbers, and we just kind of hit it off after that. We met up. He invited me to come to his house, and within 2 weeks later, I moved in.
What was it about his conversation that put him over and above all the other people you've driven?
He was an outgoing person, very sweet, very kind. He didn't act like all those other people that I get in my car.
How long ago did you all move in together?
It's been, over 3 years ago.
And were things good the first period of time after you moved in?
Yes, it was.
All right, what was the first thing that kind of took a wrong left turn?
Just him going around and sending money to people, these girls and stuff.
Who is he sending money to?
His ex-girlfriend and his other friend.
How did you find out he was sending money to these people?
By looking at his phone.
Mr. Manuel, were you sending money to females?
Yes, so when she first met me, one of the things that I told her was I had 2 women that I tend to help out. Over time, she got on my case all of the time about doing it.
Why are you sending money to these folks from your past?
My ex, I'm gonna use her for example. She was going through something. I've been there for her the whole entire time, even before I met Connie.
How long are you gonna be there for her monetarily?
That's a good question. To be honest, I should have stopped. I should have been stopped doing this.
All right, what is it that you have?
I have
Ms.
evidence
Mullininx?
showing that he sent money to the girls.
So you're not denying that you sent the money?
No, I'm not denying
Do you
it.
think the fact that he's sending money means that he's doing something else with these young ladies?
I believe so, yes.
You said you found it by going through his phone. Was it something he was hiding?
Yes.
Okay, why do you think he was hiding it?
Because he didn't want me to know that he was sending money to these girls.
I'm just trying to understand what makes you at some point say, I think he is messing around with other women. I'm going to look at his phone. What occurrence happened that made you make that first step to look at his phone?
Because I saw him sending messages to a girl and talking about, I'm insecure, and he sent photos to her.
Okay, so you saw him physically texting somebody.
Yes.
And you looked and said, oh, he's sending something to a girl.
Yes.
So it said, no wonder her ass is so damn insecure and miserable. Look at her. So he sent this to somebody else.
About you.
Yes.
This photo came years after we had done dated. At that point, I was pretty much done, and I just happened to be around someone new.
Wait, okay, wait a minute, stop. This came years after you had done did it. What are you talking about?
This picture was sent years after we had done been
This
together.
picture wasn't sent years. You just recently just sent it.
I know.
Okay, you all have been together 3 years,
3
right?
years.
Are you
so
still together?
That's what I was getting at. I pretty much was done with her. And it's,
Are y'all
Did
still
she know
living
that?
together?
yes, we are still living together. She does still live in my house.
Does she know y'all not together right now?
Yes, I spoke on it. I've told her that I was pretty much done with it.
So why are you here if you done?
She wants to see if I've been lying about anything throughout our whole relationship.
Ma'am, has he told y'all are done?
Not in those words. He
What
just
has he
said that
said?
he had that we're not together anymore. He
I think
took
those
his
are the
Facebook
words.
status off and said we're not together anymore.
Okay, so if he doesn't think y'all together, is there any reason for us to be doing this dance that we're doing right here? Except that you just want to know.
I just want to know.
Okay.
Coming up,
Mr. Manuel, it's my understanding that you have a witness that you would like to have testify on your behalf.
Yes, I do. It's my brother.
Is this the same brother we were just talking about?
It's the exact same brother.
Did you make the comment that you did not want Ms. Mullininx in your family because she was white? So he's sending money to these other women. You think there's some cheating going on,
Yes.
and which is why you want him to take the lie detector test.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any evidence of cheating or anything that makes you think it's more than just helping out old friends with small amounts of money?
I grew up in foster care and I wanted a family. And seeing him being miserable was hurtful. And then his sister-in-law started saying comments about, she's gonna be your sister-in-law one day. And I'm like, why would you tell him this? And I was so hurtful to hear that he would say, I don't want a white person being in my family.
Who said that?
His brother.
Did he say that to you, or you overheard him tell somebody else, or?
It was his brother's girlfriend who told me.
She never told me the part about the white girl. I've dated a white girl before her.
Okay.
There has never been an issue with any white people at all. He didn't like the way that how miserable I was, how stressed out I always was, and he knew it was because of her. And the reason I was stressed out was because of finances. Before I met her, I never had this issue. He was thinking that if she wasn't there, I could be a lot happier.
So your brother's concerns about Miss Mullininx, in your mind, weren't because she was white, but were because you were financially stressed and you were unhappy and he could see it. So he's like, get rid of her, regardless of her color, because of the financial stress it was causing you.
Yes.
The family barbecue has to be a little awkward, I would think. No,
Sometimes I'm not invited to barbecues.
and I'm sure you probably think it's because of who you are.
Yes.
So, Mr. Manuel, it's my understanding that you have a witness that you would like to have testify on your behalf.
Yes, I do. It's my brother.
Is this the same brother we were just talking about?
It's the exact same brother that
Okay.
she's referring to.
And what's his name?
Nathan Turner.
Patrick, would you escort Mr. Turner into the courtroom, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Would you state your name, please, for our record?
Yes, my name is Nathan Turner. I'm Dwayne's brother.
Okay. Did you make the comment that you did not want Ms. Mullininx in your family because she was white?
No. I said because she brought stress upon my brother, and I talk to him every day, day in, day out, when I'm on the road. So he's stressed about money, and I'm like, you just got to do something better. You got to get on her about it.
Whether you feel this way or not, did you express to anybody else some concerns about Ms. Mullininx being in your family because she was white?
I talked to my girlfriend about it, but I never made racist comment about her being white because I dated white women.
Mr. Turner is saying he didn't make those comments. You're saying this is what his girlfriend told you, and so that's all you have to go on, right?
Correct.
I mean, if we're talking about racist comments, I mean, I was there when her ex was on the phone, and he called. He was like, "Is that still around? Or is that still around my child?"
All right.
Okay.
Who are you talking about?
Wait. Hold up.
My ex has never said that.
What?
From the.
Up next,
Is Ms. Mullinix's weight substantially different than it was 3 years ago?
No.
Okay, so when you met her, she was a plus-size woman, and you liked her then. What has happened that now it's that's not an option. That's not on the table. So you're saying that Ms. Mullininx's ex called?
Yes.
And you believe his statements were racist?
Yes.
Okay, and why is that?
Because when it was said, it was a whole commotion going on around the house because we heard it. He specifically said, "Is that N-word still around?" Or "Is that N-word still around my kid?"
So, Mr. Turner, thank you very much. You're free to be excused. So, Ms. Mullininx, I still don't make the connection. Why do you think that Mr. Manuel is cheating?
I think my weight and sex gets an emotion.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Because he criticized me for being the way I am all the time.
In terms of your size, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
And I think that's the reason why he doesn't want to do nothing with me. I think that he just turns me down. And I asked him, is my weight an issue? And he says, yes, it is.
There's a difference between not wanting to be with you and going out and being with someone else. Do you have anybody that you're suspicious of, any particular person?
I believe in his so-called best friend.
Is this a female friend, I presume?
Yes.
Okay.
And he also made a comment that he saw a naked girl twice. He threw it in my face, like he just blurted out, "Oh, I saw her naked." I'm like, why are you telling me this? They hurt me more?
His best friend or the other
His
coworker?
best friend.
Mr. Manuel, have you told Ms. Mullininx you're not interested in her because of her weight?
I've never exactly stated that.
What did you
Now,
exactly
what
say?
I stated to her is the type of girls that I'm normally interested in. And she took that as it's because of her size.
Is Ms. Mullininx's weight substantially different than it was 3 years ago?
No.
Okay, so when you met her, she was a plus-size woman. Is that fair?
Yes.
And you liked her then?
Yes.
Okay. What has happened that now it's that's not an option. That's not on the table.
Mainly the financial stress. I had been turned off over time. It took a while, but over time, as things didn't change financially, that hit me really hard, just sexually for her. Also,
So the stress that you're experiencing because of the financial woes, you're turned off at this point.
I'm turned off. But
Okay.
He did want me, and now he's changed everything because he has too many people in his ear.
Ms. Mullininx, do you still want to be in this relationship?
I do.
You asked him to take a lie detector test, and we're going to get those results in a moment. What if the results come back and show that he has been cheating on you? Then what?
If he fell, I'm gonna sleep in my car.
It means it's over.
Yes,
You're out.
I'm out.
Okay.
Well,
we are going to have our polygraph expert, Mr. John Yarborough, come and give us the results of your polygraph examination. Patrick, would you escort Mr. Yarborough in? How are you, sir?
Great. How about yourself?
We're good. You gave Mr. Manuel a polygraph examination, asked him several questions. Is that correct?
That is correct.
You asked him, Mr. Manuel, since dating Miss Mullininx, have you had sexual contact with anyone other than her? What was his response?
His response was no.
What did the polygraph test reveal?
The polygraph examination results indicated.
What did the polygraph test reveal?
The polygraph examination results indicated there was deception to that question.
You asked Mr. Manuel, did you have any sexual contact with the girl you said you had seen naked? What was his response to that question?
His response was no.
What did the polygraph determine?
The polygraph examination revealed there was deception indicated to that question.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
Mr.
Your
Arbor.
Honor.
Ms. Mullininx, what's going through your mind right now?
No, I can't believe he would do something like this. Knowing I would never cheated on him since day one.
You kind of already had a suspicion.
Yes.
True?
So,
You didn't want to believe it was true.
No.
Ms. Manuel,
Yes.
I think the minimum at this point is at least tell her the truth.
I don't know what else to say to that one.
Do you even still want to be in this relationship with Ms. Mullininx?
Throughout
Right.
everything that's happened,
Yeah, as of right now, as we stand here, do you still want to be in this relationship with Ms. Mullininx?
no.
Okay.
It doesn't matter why you don't want to be in a relationship. If you don't want to be in a relationship because she has on a beige sweater, that's fine. Just admit to it and be gone. That's all you got to do. And from where I see it, the relationship is over because anytime you have a relationship where one person doesn't want to be in it, it doesn't matter what the other person wants. And Ms. Mullininx, I'm sorry, but he doesn't want to be with you. And I can't sit here in good conscience and try to suggest that you all get back together when he doesn't want to be with you.
But you got to get from under this cloud you're living in so you can shine again. So walk out of here with your head up and reaching for the stars, okay?
Okay.
Don't stay down. That is the ruling of this court, and court is adjourned.
I'm very hurtful to know that he did all this.
I can see that she was very hurt. She's been hurt in her past, but I assured her I would never do anything like that to her.
I just move on and keep my head held high and shine.